Wow, what a day in the markets, folks. Look, I know you're all waiting to hear about the latest news, so let's dive right in. Now, the FTSE 100 is looking up, and it's all because of oil. Yes, oil prices are on the rise, and it's got everyone talking. Here is the thing, the closure of the Strait of Hormuz is a big deal, and it's going to affect the global economy. Honestly, I'm not surprised to see stocks reacting like this. So let's break it down. The Dow Jones futures are falling, but oil prices are rising. Well, that's not entirely unexpected, given the situation. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the ceasefire rally? Yes, that's a great point. The rally was a big deal, but it's not going to last forever. Now, let's talk about some of the individual stocks that are making waves. Google and Nvidia are leading the charge with 7 new buys. Well, that's a big deal, folks. These are two of the biggest players in the tech industry, and they're making some serious moves. Honestly, I'm excited to see where this goes. And then there's Aehr Test Systems. Yes, their stock skyrocketed today. Well, that's not entirely surprising given the news. Here is the thing, this company is a major player in the tech industry, and they're doing some really innovative things. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the Fed? Yes, the Federal Reserve is always a big topic of discussion. Well, according to the latest minutes, they're still forecasting a rate cut this year. Honestly, that's a big deal, folks. Could have a major impact on the economy. And then there's Ray Dalio. Yes, the founder of Bridgewater Associates is always worth listening to. Well, he's saying that the Trump-Xi meeting is going to focus on trade and capital flows. Honestly, that's a big deal, folks. This meeting could have a major impact on the global economy. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the Strait of Hormuz? Yes, that's a big topic of discussion. Well, one research firm actually sent an analyst to the Strait of Hormuz to get a closer look. Honestly, that's dedication, folks. And what they learned is fascinating. So, let's talk about the bigger picture. Yes, the markets are always unpredictable, but there are some trends that are worth paying attention to. Well, one of the biggest trends right now is the rise of AI. Honestly, it's a game changer, folks. And one stock that's leading the charge is, well, I won't give it away just yet. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the S&P 500? Yes, that's a great question. Well, according to some predictions, this AI stock is going to join the S&P 500 before the end of the year. Honestly, that's a big deal, folks. Could be a major catalyst for growth. So what does it all mean? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Honestly, it's hard to say for sure, but one thing is certain. The markets are always changing, and we need to stay ahead of the curve. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what can I do to stay ahead? Yes, that's a great question. Well, the first thing you need to do is stay informed. Honestly, it's crucial to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. And that's where we come in, folks. Yes, our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest news and analysis. Well, we're passionate about finance, and we want to share that passion with you. Honestly, it's a wild ride, but we're excited to have you along for the ride. So what's next? Well, that's a great question. Honestly, it's hard to say for sure, but one thing is certain. We're going to keep bringing you the latest news and analysis. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the future? Yes, that's a great question. Well, the future is always uncertain, but one thing is certain. We're going to be here to guide you every step of the way. And that's a wrap, folks. Yes, it's been a wild ride, but we're glad you're along for the ride. Honestly, we couldn't do it without you. So like and subscribe,